Hi everybody, my name is Dr. Elodie Jones and I want to just make a quick video to kind of update you on what is going on. If you are in Practicum 885 for your Masters of Instructional Technology, I am your instructor of record, and yes, I am alive. Just to let you know kind of what's gone on, I accepted this position last spring, and I did not have my course load until just a few weeks ago, and I knew that this was a course that was interesting to me. My master's is also in instructional technology from KU from multiple years ago, and when I did that, I actually did a project and a thesis, and they let me partner up with someone for the project, and then we had to each write our own thesis. So I'm very aware of how this works from a student's perspective. At this point, all I've done with you is share a Google community. In that Google community, what I expected you to do this first week was just to make that introduction video, and most of you have. I checked my roster against the community, and I'm missing about 4 students, so I did send out another invitation today, and I hope that most of you join us. The way that this is going to work is Dr. Moody, who has originally taught this course, has a e-portfolio that's actually sitting in a Google site that each one of you will gain access to, in which you will have your own Google site. It is set up in a template, and that template will be accessible to each one of you to mold, meld, create, add, build all of your entire portfolio inside of a Google site, which is actually pretty cool because it's really intuitive. And if you've ever had to develop any kind of website using HTML or most website developing software, it's not the most intuitive, and it's not just drag and drop and super easy. So that's one thing I do like about Google with regard to this. So again, I just wanted to welcome you to 885. I want to let you know that nothing has been uploaded except for that Google community, and within the next 24 hours I'll be sharing that actual Google site with you. It's a template that you will upload all of your evidence to, and I'm also going to make a screencast-o-matic, so when you get into that portfolio, you know what's expected of you, and you know kind of how it's going to operate, because it's just a little bit different than maybe anything you've done before. So one of the first things I'll do is urge you to get in and add some of the basic information that you know, and then start building that. As you start building that, the one thing you want to do is start setting some time constraints for yourself. Remember, comps are going to be coming up in October, and this needs to be completed in advance of that, because this is essentially the project part of your comps, and we'll start getting those dates out to you as well. I have a comp calendar that I share with everyone in AEP, and I'll share that on the Google community, and then you can go in and start signing up for dates that will be available. We have a department meeting Wednesday, and we'll be discussing those dates, etc. So I'll be sharing that calendar as well. So yeah, I've had 2 or 3 emails from people that think they're missing out on something, and I wanted to let you know, yes, we've kind of gotten a slow start. This course does go through this semester here, so don't freak out. The content that you're being asked to build is nothing difficult, but it's just going to require a lot of independent thought, a lot of independent creation. And the one thing I really urge you to do that I've seen in undergraduate work, that now I see at the graduate level, which is really difficult, I guess, for me to understand, is that you're in a community and you have other professionals surrounding you that have your level of education, if not more, maybe less. You have me. There's all kinds of people that are willing to help you. And I'm not the only person that you can use as an advisor on your project. So I urge you to get out onto the community. If you have questions, chime in, help one another. There's lots of people out there that have content knowledge that you don't have, and vice versa. And so that's the best thing about the community. As far as how we'll use the community, at this point, all you've done is share a video. You will notice on the video that or on the community rather, there are other people on there. Those are people who had this course this summer, and I don't want to just wipe out all their work until I know that they have transferred it over to their own portfolio. So I have not gotten rid of them. So you'll see probably a handful of people from this summer course, and you'll start seeing their work kind of disappear as we move forward. So anyway, I wanted to say have a good week. It's been a Monday for sure, and I'd say within the next 24 hours, you'll be getting an invite to your own Google site, and I will make a screencast-o-matic video to kind of help you navigate that and start filling that in and designing your own site. Again, the template is there, so you don't have to do a bunch of design. It's really kind of filling in the blanks and adding your own stuff. So If you have questions or comments, let me know. Otherwise, I will be in touch with you. And as I see fit, I will make videos and post them on the community. So have a great week. Talk to you soon. Bye.